I cherish so much the work done by human rights defenders, the work of Defenders Coalition Network, and the work of the citizens to do that they always do to consolidate our democracy. We honor all those colleagues who put so much thought, time, energy, and even their own lives at stake to defend the human rights and human dignity in general. I want to assure you that you are often the voice of the voiceless. That is how important your role is. 2 years, our country has gone through a lot. What started in June 2024 as citizens concerned about the punitive finance bill grew to Kenya's foremost movement of resistance to bad governance. Even with the evils visited by the government against people, through abductions, enforced disappearances, and killings, the movement reinvigorated my pride and faith in this country.
We have witnessed the shrinking of civic space, abuse of institutions and systems, impunity of those who violate rights, unprecedented deployment on unlawful policies and tactics of abductions, enforced disappearances, and extrajudicial killings. So therefore, colleagues and partners, as we look forward, we must reflect on the challenges that we are facing so that we can start thinking ahead on what the kind of academy we should have.